foam that fits the alternator perfectly. The alternator What's up, everybody? We're just kind of doing this video to show people what to expect when they receive a Mechman alternator, how it's packaged, and what comes with the unit. I'm going to go ahead and slice this open real quick. We double box it in a 10 by 10 box with bubble wrap to protect it during shipping so that you don't get a damaged alternator. It comes in a 9 by 9 box that's injection foam packaged and sealed with craft tape, so it's very sturdy, doesn't get tore up. Comes with a label and the part number and a UPC code if you need to track it back later for warranty purposes. Of course, you can see it's completely encapsulated in injection foam that fits the alternator perfectly. The alternator is also protected in a clear plastic bag, just so that it can't get damaged, or the surface finish can't get damaged by the foam. You can see the foam fits the alternator profile perfectly. It's sprayed in place. And we also include a really nice detailed instruction sheet with pictures explaining belt tension, proper wiring, fuse sizing, everything else. It's a really nice instruction sheet, troubleshooting guide on the back, and in the case of this particular alternator, this alternator has a included 2-wire pigtail. This is a black unit for like an old school Chevrolet. And we also include supplementary instruction sheets if you have any extra options or anything different from the alternator. So we just thought we would show that to you so you know what to expect when you order a Mechman alternator. 99.9% of the time it's going to show up in good condition. It's going to come with proper instructions and make for an easy installation. So we just thought we should show you guys that. Thanks for watching.